Welcome to the last breakfast. Please enjoy the video.
You start by confirming the card is truly read-only. Insert it into your computer, note the exact error message, and list files you can still copy. Once done, inspect the micro SD adapter and the plastic lock switch. A loose adapter or locked switch causes write protection. Make sure to back up any readable files now to a safe folder. You're beginning essential diagnostics. Do not run destructive commands until your backup is complete and the lock position and adapter seating are verified. Next, run system tools to remove write protection. On Windows, open DiskPart, select the disk, and use Attributes Disk Clear Read Only. On Linux, run FSCK and check DMESC for hardware errors, and on Mac OS, run First Aid in Disk Utility. If the card remains protected, attempt a low-level format with the SD Association tool or use DiskPart to clean, then create partition and format. Make sure to verify the correct disk number before cleaning. A wrong target erases other drives. Finally, test the card in another reader and a camera or phone. Different controllers can accept a previously locked card. If it now accepts writes, reformat and restore your backup. If not, try a different adapter or the official SD formatter one more time. If commands fail or I/O errors persist, the card's controller or flash is likely dead. In that case, stop attempting writes to avoid data loss and consider replacement or warranty service. One key troubleshooting tip is to always cross.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.